literally straight up flying twisted. Hi everyone.
Hiya.
Today we're here in the peaks with Jack. He does a bit of everything to do with flying, but mostly acro, right?
Yeah, exactly. I try and do a bit of everything, cross into different disciplines, but acro is my passion, really.
And funny thing, he has a YouTube channel, obviously, and he does some really crazy stuff that you've probably never seen before, that I've never seen before, like flying with a paraglider, but then cutting away and going into base. What the hell?
Base jumping from our paragliders lately.
Yeah, I won't spoil it. Go and check him out if you're interested. But I thought with all your knowledge, obviously you're pretty decent at ground handling.
A little bit.
I can learn quite a bit, so we could maybe challenge each other a little bit and see back and forth what we can do.
Let's challenge each other to a few tricks.
Yeah. Definitely. Right, let's do it. What size is it, Jack?
It's a 16.
16, and you're going for a super light harness. I'm already losing here on the gear wars. I've got a 5 kilo harness there.
Mate, I don't play games. I'm not here to lose.
It's a funny thing how everyone's so competitive. We didn't shoot it on camera, but I had a little play with that first because I was like, Jack, I'm not going into war with something I haven't tried. Oh, this is going to be fun. I'm pretty sure I'm going to lose, but it's still going to be fun.
We'll see.
Right, Jack, do you want to go first?
Yeah, I can do, yeah.
That is very far off the ground.
It is, isn't it?
That is miles above. Look at that. It's one of those, do you remember that guy, that French guy that invented the paraglider? There's a massive thing way up there.
Really?
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Right, I need to think something quick.
I mean, you don't need to go straight to the deep end. You know, you can give me like a bonus round.
Well, yeah, I'm trying to think like. Okay, let's start with something basic. Let's just go wingtip touch.
Okay. Wingtip touch.
Oh.
Okay. Touch. And then. Right.
It's actually hard because the wind's so light for me.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think.
So that's wingtip touch back to the center without dropping it.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Right, my turn. Well, the wind's gone now, so I'm a bit reluctant. Oh, come on. Come on.
Oh,
come
no.
on. Come on. Come on. That counts?
Yeah, you got it.
Right, we're going to call that a valid attempt, but the wind's gone to nothing, so this might be a bit trickier than expected.
Yeah.
Should we say that you have to name the trick? Maybe? Yeah, I'll name the trick.
What do you want to name it as?
So, like, you have to say what you're trying to do before you do it, so that we know if you
Yeah, that makes sense, definitely, yeah.
Yeah.
I thought you were like naming the trick. It's like, I'm not
like, this is the Stevenson. Right, so my turn. What I'm going to do is potentially simple as well, is get the wing up. I'm getting windy.
It's gone from like 0 to 100 in a couple of seconds.
It's going to be put it up, turn it around, and keep it above the ground for 3 seconds, and that's it. You don't have to turn it around again or anything.
Okay.
But turning it upside down without touching the ground, and keep it there for a couple seconds.
Okie dokie. Whoa, the skill. Nice, nice.
Did he touch though?
I'm not sure, I'll give it to you.
We're going to have to review the footage.
What do you think?
I think it was super close, maybe touched, maybe not.
Oh,
so
okay.
We'll have a look at the slow-mo.
I have no idea.
After reviewing, it has touched, so now it's Jack's turn.
Okay, so I think I'm just going to set the same trick actually.
Okay, he's going to go for the same trick. Yeah. Right, now I really have to do what I set out to do.
Oh! Nice.
So now it's my turn again, right?
Yeah.
Here's one. I'm going to try to turn it around 360, so Misty. But if it touches, it's okay, as long as it turns all the way around.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. Nice.
Yay! I wasn't expecting that to work.
I'm gonna wait for the wind to pick up a little bit.
Yeah, it's literally nothing. Oh, barely touched.
Oh, no. I missed my break.
Well, that wasn't part of the deal, so it still counts. Right, Jack's gonna go for the front flip.
Oh, I didn't expect to go in the air.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I'm actually scared of this one. I've never tried it before, but I suppose I gotta do it. With a small wing as well. Ah! Big floppy harness as well.
Yeah, a little bit harder with the harness, that's for sure. Yes! Woohoo! That was sick.
Right, I'm gonna do keeping it up just above the ground for. Right.
Okay, so the rule is it can't be further above the ground than the wing chord, so it can't be 2 wings up, if you know what I mean. Okay, yeah. So that, because otherwise you just keep it up forever. And obviously you can't touch the ground. 10 seconds.
Okay. You think that's a fail?
Yeah, it just has so much pressure. Usually you do this with the A's, but even with my hands on the brakes, I can't do it because it takes so much pressure. Look at this.
It doesn't want to go, does it?
Even if I put it down, it just wants to come up on its own without any A's.
It's because it's so light, man.
Yeah, so if you keep it there, look, it just comes up on its own. Alright, so Jack's gonna go for Misty slightly airborne. So the 360 like we were doing before, but off the ground.
Yeah, like kind of like a landing Misty, I guess. So. Oh. That was terrible. That was so bad. Can I do another?
Yeah, do another one. Yeah, yeah.
That was better. Again, terrible, but you'll do.
Okay, so not enough left.
So I'd say you want to get a bit more airspeed, get into the air properly, and maybe even get into the air, and then you know when you've got airborne, and then you swoop down.
Yeah, yeah.
That kind of then.
Okay, so go like this, and then when you're coming out of the swoop is when you pull.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, I'd say probably you're gonna need like full arm extension.
Yeah.
And then like, yeah, I guess the faster you do it, the easier it spins. You literally almost had it.
What?
That was epic. That was epic.
It's. I think I didn't keep it on for long enough afterwards, and that's why it smashed upside down.
Yeah.
Also, it's a feeling I never felt before.
Yeah, it's quite scary.
So it's really disconcerting. Like I felt a bit. What's the word? You know, like lost in space.
Yeah. You don't know how to feel, do you? Couldn't even get off the ground.
The wind's gone. Woohoo!
Yes!
Yeah, baby! What was that?
That was wicked. Yeah, that was sick.
Right, that was fun.
Tons of fun.
Challenging conditions because the wind was coming and going, and I don't know if you can tell by the camera, but it's really like up and down the terrain, and we
struggling just to stand still.
Yeah, it's really tricky, but I'm really happy that I landed my first or second Misty Landing, I suppose you call it.
I was so happy for you, man. It looked sick.
Yeah, it looked really good. Little wing definitely helped, and obviously Jack's coaching, so if you want to see how he did a tutorial actually with me trying to learn that, so check that out on his channel.
Yeah, come and check it out.
Right, so that's it for this one. I want to thank all these people on Patreon for supporting the channel. As always, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
See ya.
Yeah, that was sick.